Once upon a time, in the bustling city of New York, Mysterio, Spider-Man's friendly neighbor, was eager to help his web-slinging buddy. Mysterio, with his glowing eyes and bubbling energy, was excited to share a secret. "Spider-Man," he said, "I've found a way to make our city safer." Spider-Man, listening carefully, asked, "What is it, Mysterio?" Mysterio, with a twinkle in his eyes, replied, "I've discovered a magical paint that can make buildings stronger and safer." With a nod of approval, Spider-Man said, "Sounds great, Mysterio. Let's find a way to use it wisely." Together, they decided to paint the buildings in the most dangerous parts of the city first. They worked tirelessly, spreading the magical paint with their unique powers. As the sun set, they admired their handiwork. "Mission accomplished," said Spider-Man, with a smile. The next day, the city was safer and stronger. People praised Spider-Man and Mysterio, thanking them for their hard work. At night, as Spider-Man swung back to his tower, he saw Mysterio waving goodbye. "Good night, Spider-Man," Mysterio called out. "See you tomorrow." Spider-Man waved back, "Good night, Mysterio. You're a true friend." And so, another day ended in the city of New York, with Spider-Man and Mysterio making it a better, safer place for everyone. As you drift off to sleep, remember the friendship between Spider-Man and Mysterio. Good night, sleep tight, and dream of friendly neighbors helping make the world a better place.